Hey, thanks for stopping by. It's me, Nikki, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button right there down below. Help your girl out and hit that notification bell as well so you can be notified every time I post a video. Well, hello, Taco Tuesday, my favorite meal of the week. Got another crock pot recipe for you guys, and I also share something at the end whenever I really want more flavor and want to amp it up a little bit. Something that I do, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned. I have my 5-pound chuck roast here, and I usually season it with salt and pepper, but I'm gonna do chicken bouillon just to see how it it's gonna taste, because whenever I learned from Stephanie from Views on the Road to do it on the chuck steak, it was so delicious. I was like, I'm gonna try this next time on a roast. I'm just so curious. I have my stove heating up right now with a pan at a high heat so that I can brown this. Okay, so I might have had it a little too high. Be careful that you don't burn yourself. I did put some oil and I burned my pan a little bit because I took too long to get here. Because my tripod broke. Anyways, TMI. You want to brown these, and I'm going to leave it for about, since it's so high, probably 3 minutes on each side, even the sides. Get it nice and brown. And this is the first time I do it with the chicken bouillon, so I think it's going to be really, really good. So I'm going to get this browned, and I'll see you in a bit. Making sure that I brown every single side of the meat, and I like to use this top pan because it helps me lean the meat against it. It just makes it easier for me. But I'm noticing that it's not browning and making the crust that I like. Like when you use kosher salt, it makes a really nice crust and it browns differently. So I am noticing that right off the bat, kosher salt versus the chicken bouillon all over. Once it's browned the way I want it, I'm going to lay it in there. I'm going to put 1 cup of water. One teaspoon of chicken bouillon. These seasonings right here, and they will be listed in the ingredient area. I mean in the description area where it says ingredients. Then I'm going to top it off with some onions. And I'm not going to put a lot of onions right now. I'm just doing this for flavor. But as this is cooking for 8 hours, like on the 7th hour, I will put some more onions so it can be crunchy. And if you want to put bell pepper, red and green, or whichever other peppers you desire to put, go ahead and do that. I'm just keeping it kind of simple right now, and I'm just going to use onion for tonight. So this is going to go in there overnight for 8 hours. Okay, I tried it earlier, and it was good. It lacked a little flavor. I think I should have coated it with the kosher salt as I usually do. Work with me here. Okay, better like this. So I should have coated it with the kosher salt. It gives it a much better flavor. It makes a better crust as well. Okay, so the kids like it. Let me let Helen try it.
Try it.
I'm gonna let Helen try it. And to me, I feel like it lacks a little bit of flavor. Like I said, I should have coated it with the kosher salt. What do you think? Needs a little more flavor, right?
Yeah.
So this has happened to me. And by the way, this recipe called for a 2 to 3 pound chuck roast, and I had a 5-pounder. So this is the flavor that was left behind in the crock pot. So we're gonna put it in there. And then I'm gonna swish it all over. I'm gonna grab some chicken bouillon and sprinkle it on there. Now I did this before in the past and it did give it a lot of flavor. Oops. I hate when it makes that noise like scratching on the chalkboard. Oh my goodness. Do you even know what a chalkboard is, Helen?
Yes.
Okay. Because I know y'all use those
Smart boards.
Yeah, smart boards now. Okay, and I'm going to put another pinch of chicken bouillon. And that is it. And mix it all in that flavor. And then it's going to get even better once you have the lemon and the cilantro in there. You want to try this now?
Yeah, it tastes better.
Right? Okay. So whenever you think you've messed up or you're just not happy with it, I sprinkled chicken bouillon the last time. And my husband loved it and I loved it. So just do that at the very end. You can add salt and pepper, which I'm also going to add pepper because we are pepper lovers here. If you want to add more salt, this is the time to do your last touch-ups. So there you go, chicken bouillon and pepper. Okay, now time to prepare it. We'll touch-ups towards the end. That's the cilantro, right?
I think so.
Depending how thick you want them. Sorry if you can hear that in the background. My husband is actually working on the living room. And I gotta go record it because it's a part of our DIY. So I'm trying to hurry. So put as much as you want in there. So I like to put the lemon first. I always like to do the lemon first. And then I put the cilantro. Got some homemade salsa that I just made. And then we're gonna top it off with some queso fresco. Did y'all see that video that Steph made on Views on the Road? She made homemade queso fresco. Oh my goodness. What can't that girl do? She's so amazing. Okay, and I'm just gonna make a mess. Try to make it look cute and I never can. All right.
Yep.
Okay, time to try it. I'm gonna go ahead and let Mary try it first, and let me grab the camera from her. Go ahead and grab one, baby. Is it good?
It's really good.
Cool. Okay. And the meat and everything tastes different. You taste the lemon. Is the salsa too hot?
No, it's good.
Okay, cool. My husband just walked in. Let me let him try it. Babe, you want to try this taco?
Then you went back outside.
This smells amazing. And guys, the reason I'm not eating right now is because my blood sugar is, I don't want to mess with it. It's a little high, so I'm not going to get to taste it till later. Come taste this, babe.
What you got?
Right here.
Dang, heck yeah.
Cool. And this is the salsa I made a while
That
ago.
sauce is good.
Cool, thanks. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to go ahead and end it here. But the family did love it, and that's always good. That's what we are making it for. We are all homemakers trying to try recipes every day and trying to get better at them and making them our own. So have a blessed one, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Bye.
It's good.